Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com. Up first, 19 prisoners and a team of police officers transporting them escaped serious injury after a three-vehicle collision this morning. TVJ News understands the accident happened shortly before 9 this morning along the Salem Main Road in Runaway Bay, St. Ann. It involved a police service truck, a Nissan Note, and an Audi motor vehicle. The JCF service truck was reportedly transporting 19 prisoners with a crew of 2 police officers aboard. Another service vehicle assigned to the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement branch was escorting the police truck. The convoy was en route from Montego Bay to Kingston. Efforts to get a comment from the JCF's communication team have been unsuccessful. And the St. Thomas police have ramped up efforts to enforce road safety in the parish. On Friday, the traffic police were out in their numbers, carrying out spot checks specifically targeting truckers who continue to overload their vehicles and fail to cover aggregate while transporting it out of the parish.
We are also here tackling the matter of the trucks that are transporting the aggregates that are not covered, damaging the roadways.
Right, I'm afraid that bus, man. Look, most blind me until I can't believe I know. Yeah. I want to take care of them things, brother. Imagine you right now, the boy business and school and about chuck a lick in your face.
The police are urging truckers to operate within the regulations or face prosecution.